What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to show you how to replace an old broken sump pump. So we picked this up at Tractor Supply for about 90 bucks. We also got a new check valve. It is recommended you always change the check valve every time. Now, the only tool that you should need in theory is a flathead screwdriver, so that way you can loosen up the screws on the hose clamps on the check valve. Pulled this out. Taylor actually rinsed it off real good to see. We tried it a couple times to see if it would even turn on. It won't even activate whenever you it won't even turn on. It's completely burned up. Once you have the pump out, we put it over here so we can take the pipe out. We thought we were going to have to use this pipe wrench, but it turns out we actually don't. We just had to struggle a little bit to get this loosened up, including turning it the wrong way.
Yeah, we tightened it a little bit. But look, we got it.
So that came out.
You want to make sure that that pipe is clear.
Yeah, I'm just going to inspect it real quick. That's literally what I was just about to say. Look at that. It's on the same page.
As usual.
So, clear.
Who put that light there?
Now, in order to get this out, you're going to want a flathead screwdriver to loosen up the hose clamps. This is that check valve that I was talking about. You're going to have to loosen this up in order to get that pipe out. But be careful not to, obviously, it's common sense. Some people aren't going to think about it. Watch what you do. This has a little bit of give, but you don't want to try and make it give a little too much.
If you know what I mean.
This is the new one we just got from Tractor Supply. It's the county line, third of a horsepower, 50 gallons per hour. That's a lot of gallons. One thing I did notice is look at the float. There's no, I just think this stuff's cool, like technology, the way, see, look at this. There's so many parts like that can break. That's what happened with the other sump pump. Whereas this, I'm sure it'll still break. But look. Right there, and it clicks. There's like the clicky things in here in the float. That's cool. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to attach the pipe onto the new pump. Maybe. Actually, we're not.
Why?
Because you can't put two male ends together.
Well, I mean, you can in this society.
So it looks like I'm going back to Tractor Supply. Alright, so we are here. Alright. So we just pulled in. Now let's see if I can find where this thing is, this coupler. Alright, so I got the adapter. Now let's go help me finish this finally. We have this right here. Now I do want to say, I wish that this had threads in here, but I couldn't find them anywhere. So what I'm going to do, because this goes from the 1.5-inch thread, which this is what this is, but on the inside there's also threading, and that converts to 1.25-inch thread. So I'm going to put this in here, just screwed in. Now because there's no threads in the adapter itself, I don't really want to use cement or anything, because one, this is going to be pushed down anyway, so it's probably not going to go anywhere. Honestly, let's face it, it's not going to go anywhere, because this is pushing down. But we're going to put this in here. Perfect. And then we're going to take some Gorilla Tape and wrap it around. I'm going to have to take it back out, though. So let's do that real quick, and I'll be right back. help yourself. I'm doing this voiceover. Why not? I didn't take this cool. So now that that's taped, let's put it back in. Want to make sure it's in there good. I want to say this Gorilla Tape is some good stuff. It survived with the Christmas and Halloween decorations when it was cold out. I want to make sure this is in pretty good. It's not going to go anywhere. Gorilla Tape. Now it's time to drop it in. Make sure it's unplugged first, because you don't want to be like. Stick around, we like to have fun here. Alright, now we'll just put this back in. Want to make sure this gets lined up really good. You got a good bite on that. Alright, that's good. Tighten the hose clamp back up. So now that that's in good and straight, let's plug her in.
Well, I'm gonna move over here so I don't die if this doesn't work right.
One small step for man, one giant step for mankind. Know what I mean? Okay. Get it, Burn. It's going. Look at that. It's really...
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh, wow. That's so much quieter.
That's really quiet.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. We just wanted to make this to show you guys it's not quite as hard as you think it is to do it. It's so easy to fix this. A lot of people might think that's too much for them to handle, so you'll call in a plumber and spend way too much money.
You'll spend easily like $600-700 on this. I used to work for a plumbing company.
She did, it's crazy. And that literally costed us $90.
It was like $120 total for everything.
Yeah, for everything. Well, we also got that pipe wrench for no reason. So like $110 is all you need, and that saves you like $500 from calling somebody out. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a like, subscribe, share. Let me know what you thought. Until the next time when we have a home improvement thing we need to tackle. Pudge Man
and Taylor
out.